Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Right now, we are seeing a massive shift happening in the tech landscape. We're finally moving away from just treating AI like this fun little novelty, just playing around with prompts, and we're pivoting towards something way more lucrative, actually creating AI services. So if you've been trying to figure out how to tame the total chaos of raw AI into something tangible and frankly valuable, well, you're exactly in the right place. Okay, let's dive right into this. Package. Literally, the entire secret to creating AI services comes down to this one single word. It's not about coding the next massive language model from scratch, and it's definitely not just messing around with basic inputs anymore. It is 100% about packaging. It's about taking something raw and totally unbounded and putting a specific, understandable wrapper around it. Because let's be real, raw AI, it's practically useless to most businesses until you give it boundaries, a clear price tag, and a very specific use case. So how exactly do we define this? Well, an AI service is simply the result of taking raw AI capabilities and packaging them into structured, deliverable offerings. Basically, it's a twofold mission here. First, you wrap the AI up into a distinct service. And second, you teach others how to do exactly that. You are acting as the bridge, the missing link between raw potential and a finished, ready-to-use product. Section 1. Packaging AI Services, the Menu of Opportunity. Now, this brings us to the ultimate question, doesn't it? How do you actually turn AI into a service? Packaging sounds awesome in theory, but what does that look like in the real world? How do we take an abstract neural network and turn it into something a client can instantly understand, nod their head at, and actually buy into? Thankfully, we've got a master list. And what's really interesting about this is the sheer variety of the examples we're looking at. There are exactly 6 distinct avenues to focus your packaging efforts on: AI automation, chatbots, content, video, websites, and marketing. These aren't just random guesses, guys. This is your specific menu of opportunity. Every single one of these represents a massive arena where raw AI can literally be boxed up, packaged, and delivered as a highly structured service. So let's break these down into some logical pairs. Section 2, AI automation and chatbots, building the backend systems. Let's look at how this builds our understanding of backend packaging. First up, consider AI automation. This is where you package AI into specific, repeatable workflows. Think data entry, scheduling, all those repetitive background tasks. You turn the AI into a service that just handles those steps automatically. Then contrast that with AI chatbots, where you're actually packaging communication. You're taking conversational AI and structuring it into a distinct service, like a 24/7 customer support bot or a lead gen assistant. Both of these take the raw power of AI and give it a very specific system-level job to do. Section 3, AI content and video, creating digital media. Now, this brilliantly illustrates the leap from back-end systems over to creative outputs. Take AI content, for example. This is the packaging of written word generation into deliverable services, things like blog creation, high-converting copywriting, or even email newsletters. Expanding on that further, we have AI video, where you're packaging visual and audio generation. Sure, it's a totally different delivery format from written content, but the underlying principle, it remains exactly the same. You are putting a valuable, highly usable wrapper around raw AI. Let's just quickly map out the exact logic here. Step 1, you start with the raw AI generation. Step 2, you package it specifically as an AI content or AI video service with the ultimate goal of teaching others how to do it. By framing it as a simple step-by-step process, you completely eliminate all that overwhelm. You're defining the inputs, defining the outputs, and wrapping the whole shebang in a service model that is super easily replicable. Section 4, AI websites and marketing, establishing online presence. This final pair focuses entirely on your digital footprint and outreach. Think about AI websites. This means packaging AI tools that design, code, or optimize web pages into a standalone, ready-to-go service offering. And, this pairs incredibly well with AI marketing, which is packaging AI for things like ad targeting, campaign analysis, or SEO strategy. If you teach someone how to package an AI website service, it just perfectly complements teaching them AI marketing to drive traffic right back to that brand new site. Section 5, your next AI steps, the core takeaway. 6, that is your magic number right there. We've been given exactly 6 distinct, powerful examples of how to apply this framework: automation, chatbots, content, video, websites, and marketing. You absolutely do not have to boil the ocean and try to learn every single new application of artificial intelligence that pops up on your feed. You just need to look at these 6 clear avenues and realize that the opportunity is already categorized and laid out for you. Because at the end of the day, it all comes back to this one fundamental rule. Teach how to package AI services. That is your roadmap. Don't sell the algorithm, sell the package. Structure it, define it, make it repeatable, and then teach that exact structure to the world. That is how you create real, lasting value in this space. So, I'm going to leave you with this final thought. We've gone through the menu, we've seen the categories. With 6 totally distinct examples to choose from, which AI service are you going to package first? Are you going to build back-end systems with automation, or maybe dive into digital media with video? The framework is right there waiting for you. Now, it is time to start packaging. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will see you next time.